In this episode, we'll take a look at the world's largest bus manufacturer by production numbers. Most people know the name Volvo when it comes to buses, and they are indeed one of the largest manufacturers in the world, but not the biggest. For that title, we need to travel to China. This is a country that produces way more buses than any other nation in the world. In fact, in 2020, China accounted for over half of all buses produced globally. But which company was responsible for this? It's a company called Ankai. You may have never heard of them before. And that is because they only sell their products in China and do not export much outside the country. They do, however, have an impressive lineup of vehicles. So let's take a closer look at them. Before we do that, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Let's get right into it with their electric buses. They currently have three main models on the market. The first two are the well-known LF series and the LF1235L. Both are very popular models, known for their reliability and advanced technology. The LF series comes in several different variants, such as single-deck, double-deck, and even an articulated version. All these buses share the same core features, including low-floor design, high-power electric motors, regenerative braking, and an intelligent control system. These factors make the LF series perfect for use in crowded cities where efficiency and passenger comfort are essential. The LF1235L, on the other hand, is a heavy-duty electric bus designed to handle challenging road conditions while still providing excellent performance. It offers high durability, powerful drive axles, and a spacious interior with comfortable seating options. But those aren't the only buses Ankai makes. In recent years, Ankai has been making inroads into the hydrogen fuel cell bus market. Their latest model is the U3H, a hydrogen fuel cell bus equipped with a 350 kilowatts hydrogen fuel cell power system and a 170 kilowatt-hours hydrogen storage tank. According to Ankai, the bus can travel up to 600 kilometers on a single tank of hydrogen, making it ideal for long-range transportation. The bus can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour and is equipped with a highly efficient heat pump system that can maintain a comfortable temperature inside the bus during the winter. It also boasts a fully sealed hydrogen storage tank that ensures the safety and reliability of the vehicle. As of early 2023, they had sold 100 of these buses to Europe, with 10 going to Belgium and 92 the Netherlands. Outside of electric and fuel cell buses, Ankai also produces diesel and natural gas buses. Their natural gas-powered buses come in various sizes and designs, including the popular A6, which is a low-floor, low-emission bus designed for urban public transportation. It is powered by a Cummins engine and has a daily mileage capacity of up to 450 kilometers, making it suitable for long-distance travel. Another popular model is the HFF 12 meters, a large-capacity bus with a carrying capacity of up to 70 passengers. It features a comfortable ride, excellent maneuverability, and advanced technology. The diesel buses they produce include the HFF 10, 11, 12, and 13-meter buses. These buses are known for their durability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. They feature powerful engines, advanced emission control systems, and comfortable interiors, making them an excellent choice for long-distance travel. And they have recently started producing LNG or liquefied natural gas buses. Currently, they have three models on offer: the LNG 10-meter, the LNG 10.5-meter, and the LNG 11-meter. All three models have low emissions and high-power engines, making them an eco-friendly and efficient choice for public transportation. Now that we've taken a look at their product lineup, let's explore some of the reasons behind their success. The company has a rich history dating back to 1970 when it was founded in Liuzhou City, Guangxi Province, China. Over the years, the company has grown rapidly, expanding its product line and establishing itself as one of the leading bus manufacturers in China. One of the key factors behind Ankai's success is its commitment to innovation and research and development. The company has invested heavily in developing new technologies and improving its products. which has led to the development of some of the most advanced and efficient buses in the industry. Another important factor in Anki's success is its focus on quality and customer satisfaction. The company has implemented a number of measures to ensure that its buses meet the highest quality standards. For example, Anki has obtained a number of domestic and international certifications, including ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, which demonstrate its commitment to quality management and environmental protection. This focus on quality has paid off, as Anki has built a reputation for producing reliable and high-performing buses that have a long service life. Anki has also focused heavily on building strong relationships with its customers, providing them with excellent after-sales, service, and support. The company has a track record of profitability and has generated significant revenue from its bus sales and related services. This financial strength has allowed Anki to invest in research and development, marketing and advertising, and other initiatives that have contributed to its growth and success. Overall, Anki has emerged as one of the most successful and innovative bus manufacturers in China, thanks to its commitment to quality, customer satisfaction, innovation, and strong financial position. With a rich history and a promising future, the company is poised to continue its growth and make significant contributions to the bus industry. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next one.